What's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be making another video, but we're not gonna be riding today. We're gonna be washing my bikes. I posted a video 2 days ago taking this through the mud, and it really needs a bath. So we're gonna wash this one. We're gonna wheel out the Harley out here too. So I'm gonna go bring the Harley out here. I'm gonna wheel that out. And then we're gonna get the power washer out, we're gonna get some soap, and then we're gonna start spraying it down. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a good angle right there to watch me wheel this out. That should be a big enough gap to fit through. Boom. All right. We got both the bikes out there. I'm gonna switch the camera over to the GoPro. I'm gonna set my phone up as a time lapse. Your guys' POV is gonna be on my GoPro. We're gonna get the pressure washer out, and then I'm gonna grab some towels, and then go get some just Dawn dish soap to wash it with. So yeah, we're gonna switch it out. All right, so I got you guys on the GoPro cam on my chest now. We're gonna wheel out this pressure washer. Let's see. I just got a little electric one. I don't need nothing fancy for washing my bikes, but it does its job pretty well. The only thing, yeah. Let's see if this is long enough first. Oh yeah, plenty long. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm gonna plug it into this. Nope. I'm not gonna plug it into the outside outlet. It's gonna go right here. Replace my battery tender. All right, there we go. So we got that out there. Let's grab the hose. That was stuck. So let's get the hose connected. I don't know how much I'll need. It's probably good. The hose has a little bit of a leak, so we gotta keep that there to catch it. Let's take this out here. Hope we have enough. Oh, that needs to go the other way. Get this to maximum length on the plug-in, and that should be good. Take this way. There's some pressure in there. Uh-oh. The hose is kinked, but I'll fix that. Go ahead and get this one. Boom. So yeah, so we're gonna get all the mud off that one first. And then we're gonna rinse both of them down with soap. And then we're gonna actually go in with the power washer. So yeah, this goes into, I just gotta get a cup to put in here with some dish soap in it. But yeah, all that looks to be, yeah, that's connected. Let's go ahead and connect this. So what tip do we have? Yeah, that one should work. So we got the 15-degree tip. Use that one for soap. Let's get the water turned on. There's a little kink right here. Hopefully, Hopefully that's fine. We're gonna get the water turned on, spray down the dirt bike, get all the mud off of it. And then we're gonna go inside, get some soap, and soap these bad boys down. Let's see. Is that on? I wonder. Maybe the plugging came loose. No? Hopefully that's good. It's spraying, but it's not pressure washing. But yeah, you guys can see this thing is caked in mud. We got everything connected, right? We got the hose in, we got that going out. We got that turned to on. I wonder if that outlet, if I tripped that outlet. Yeah, are you kidding me? So now there's nothing. Fail, guys. We just tripped that outlet, so. That's annoying. Let's see. Hopefully you guys can see this. There's not a lot of light. Garage. Which one do I do? 15. We're gonna do 15. And the other garage, 25. 25. Okay. First off, let's see. See, now that's got power to it. See, there we go. We want that light. Now that thing's making some noise. Oh, I almost forgot. Well, we should shut the door. I'm gonna set up with my beautiful tripod. Just did a review of that. We're gonna set up a time lapse. Where's the time lapse? There's time lapse, right? Yeah, time lapse. There we go. Might have to. That's a little bit of an angle right there. Is that gonna stay? I don't know if you guys can see that. We're gonna go ahead and get a time lapse of that. There we go. Holy. Look at that. Rock of mud. That was an absolute rock of mud. Another fucking rock. Let's see. I got a bunch up here in my chain. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's all stuck up in my chain. Yeah, that probably wasn't healthy for it. I rode this bike to school today. Probably didn't feel good. All right, let's see. Bunch of shit stuck right there. Bunch of mud. I don't know how I'm gonna get that shit out. Well, I guess that works. All right, this bike's already looking way better. Let's go inside And grab some soap. How much battery? 40% battery left on the GoPro.
What?
My bike was so dirty, it's covered in mud. Let's grab it. We're just gonna do some hot water, some dish soap. What do you guys think of that view to the backyard? Beautiful view. We got a nice pond. Okay, let's see. I want this real soapy. Might be too much soap. Don't hate on me for the soap usage. Throw that in. This looks like a chug jug, Connor.
What? What is it? Just dish soap?
Yeah. You guys think this looked like a mini shield? Yeah, that looks pretty strong. All right, just gotta set this in here. So that's in the bottom. Set this all the way to that side. And then, let's see. I wanna move this actually. See if I can't get a better view. Well, you guys can't see, but I think it's a better view. Then we gotta take this soap tip. Oh, come on. Switch out the soap tip. And then, hopefully we can get some soap spraying out of there. Oh yeah. Sucking it up. Yeah, look at that soapy goodness. Smells just like Dawn dish soap. Whose sandals are these? Not mine. Alright. See, on this bike, I'm hoping I can get rid of a lot of this black gunk that's all over the cylinder with this dish soap. And just make it look good, so we'll see. Oh, my tripod fell. Looks fine though. How did I not notice that? Where can I set this up? I guess right here is my best bet. Need it back over there. Okay. That's gonna be the best view you guys get. What do you guys think of that? That's pretty neat. We're gonna go ahead and wash the dirt bike off now. Switch this back to the middle. And then yeah, after we rinse this off, it should be done. All right. I'm gonna let that air dry a little and then come back with a towel and wipe down the parts I want to look pretty. Hopefully this time lapse is still working for you guys. Should I put it on the roof of the car? Hey, we're gonna get a lot of different time-lapse views today. Let's start washing this bike down. All right. I'm gonna, oh my God. It's starting to rain, guys. I'm gonna shut the water off. Let some of the pressure out of that pressure washer, and then get those inside to rinse them off. Hopefully it doesn't start coming down too hard. I'm gonna save this for if I need to wash anything else off. Let's get some of the water out of there. Try to rinse some of that mud down. That's probably good, hopefully. Shut this off. No more water. Take that out. Take this off. Let the water out. And then I always put this back on and then close it just so water doesn't get tracked all in the garage. Okay. I'm gonna move this out the way. I didn't, like, it looks cloudy out there, but I didn't think it was gonna rain. You wanna help me push this in? You gonna help me? My feet are slipping. I think it's gonna rain. You wanna help me push this in? You gonna help me? My feet are slipping. I can't get traction on the concrete. Oh. The bottom. Push. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna make it in the garage. Can you grab me a towel? We got it in the garage. The dirt bike is so much easier. That freaking bike is too big for me, guys. It's too heavy for me. But when I'm riding it, it just feels good, you know? Oh, maneuver between the cars. Let's get this in here. Okay. It's not even, it was sprinkling for just a second, guys. Literally sprinkling for 1 second. And now it's not anymore. That's awesome. Let's see if we can set this up. Hopefully this doesn't fall, guys. Boom, that's gonna be the view. I don't know if I'm gonna use all the footage on the GoPro. Probably use most of the time-lapse footage and then just put in clips of me watching that whenever there's something interesting. What's up? Towel acquired. Hey, Lainey. Say hi to the camera. You always so happy. You always so happy. You always super happy. Yeah, you are. You wanna go outside with me? Come on. Go outside. Come on. Go over here. Come here. Come over here. Now sit. Sit your butt. Sit. Lainey, sit. Sit. Good girl, stay. Okay, go outside. Hey, stay. You can stay in here with me if you don't run away. If you stay in the garage. Don't get my towel dirty. Now we're gonna just wipe down these parts that I don't want watermarks to be on. Stay in the garage. Especially the mirrors. All right, so Lainey decided to join me in drying the bikes. Stay in the garage. Go. Go in the garage. Go in the garage. But, so yeah, we got both of them cleaned down. They look pretty good. They both look really good. Dirt bike looks way better. Unfortunately, my GoPro died, but I got some pretty good footage. There's a lot of mud on that dirt bike, but it looks great. It's looking nice and shiny. The other side of the Harley. But yeah, it started to sprinkle just a little, so I wanted to get them inside so there wouldn't be much watermarks, and so I could actually dry them off. But I'm gonna go plug my GoPro in and download some of the footage, and then I'm gonna put a video together for you guys, and then hopefully soon we'll get back to the trails and get the dirt bike dirty again. So see you guys in the next video.